what we've done? What about all the peace that you pledged your only son? What about flowering fields?
In San Miguel, we can see how pollution is growing day by day. If we go out, the first scene in the streets is garbage everywhere. But first of all, we need to know what is pollution. Pollution is the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that cause adverse change. Some of the streets or roads more affected by the garbage are the Panamericana Street in the entrance of the city of San Miguel. Another one is the street that goes to the volcano called Chaparrastique, besides the downtown and the zone of the bypass that take you to Sulutan en La Unión.
The pollution in our city is one of the biggest concerns for the population, and it is increasing each time more. But the main problem is that are the citizens who are contributing to increase it. We need to stop this situation and look for solution. First of all, because pollution is the cause of many diseases in our body, which are transmitted especially by the fly. That, as we know, it keeps the most of the time in disgusting places like garbage deposits. Then it flies to step in fruits, vegetables, or different kind of food. And if we are not carefully, we can get sick easily.
If we are going to blame someone, it's not only the lack of rules that the local government hasn't established to be followed by the citizens, but also the awareness that each person must have in order to contribute to improve the environment and avoid throwing waste or garbage everywhere, knowing that this kind of behavior is damaging our city, health, environment, and life as well. Perhaps if there were a law that forbids people throwing garbage on the roads and being charged with money if they do not follow the law, most of us were forced or obligated to put the garbage in the right place. As adults, we need to play an important role in making our children learn where they must place garbage, explaining to them with our examples the negative result that this action brings to our life, causing diseases such as dengue and chikungunya. For this reason, we need to be the example for them by bringing a plastic bag to put the garbage if we are traveling by bus, and then put it in the right place.
What can we do to help? We can make changes to help both using up our resources and filling up our landfills. You can keep a list of the things you do to help out and add to do it over time. Conserve. To slow the use of our planet resources, we can use less of them. Recycle. To reuse your clothes by giving it to people who need it or making another product from it. Buy recycled products. Recycle works in a loop but only if all parts of the loop are going. One of the parts is when the recycled things get collected, cleaned, and sold to factories that can reuse them. These things are made into new products that can be sold and used, such as newspapers, carpets, and plastic tubes.
A quick list to make less trash uses fewer news resources. Recycle and buy recycled products. Send virtual letters instead of paper letters. Use cloth snacking instead of paper snacking. Look for products that have less packaging. using a lunchbox instead of paper or plastic bag. Buy a water bottle and carry it with you and avoid buying water bags. Give me water bottle as a gift so everyone can stop buying it. We live in a world in which our society has become more consumer than it was 10 years ago. But it's time to change and reuse the product or thing that we buy. If we want to a better environment, we need to start by changing the way in which we act, such as putting the garbage in the right place or carrying a bag to put in the there and then place it in the deposit.